Hey! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this REALME. First of all, just access tab menu. Now you need to look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. You can also go into settings if you wish to. Scroll down and tap on location section here. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!